back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Grabox for January month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you, this is Jewel Grabox. Of course, I've done the unboxing for mini one already. So this is the Jewel box and the price for this one is 499 rupees for a monthly subscription. I will be mentioning the link in the description box. And now let's just quickly open it and see what all it has. Now, the first thing here I can see is the info card. This says January Jewel Grabox. On the other side, we have a list of all the products. So let's start with the first one. The first one is long chain earring. The price for this one is 300 rupees. And this is the first one. Let me open it and show you. So these are golden in color. And this is how they look. Wow, they are pretty long. So you can just see this is the length. Let me wear one and show you the look. 300 is the price. I think I've told you that. And these are plain golden ones. So you can wear them on in party. They are going to look stunning. Wow, this is the look. Really pretty. I love it. They are very plain, I would say. There is no designs as such, but they are long. They will add a lot of glamour, or you can say fashion style overall in your overall look. So yes, I'm happy with this one. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is bead neck piece, and the price for this one is again 300 rupees. This is the one. Let me open it and show you. This is how the neck piece look. See, 300 is the price, and let me wear it and show you the look. Wow, so this is the look, and you can just see it's looking really pretty, very stylish. So yes, overall a beautiful neck piece. I like it, good quality if you see. So yes, overall I'm happy. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is a multi-layer pearl neck piece. Let me show you that, and then so this is the one. Let me open it and show you. The price for this one is 250 rupees, and this is the neck piece. Okay, pearl is the neck piece. I really like pearl jewelry, so yes, I'm already happy with this one. Let me just remove this and wear this one. So this is the look, and it's a bit low. So yes, let me just show you the overall look. This is how it looks. Multi-layer, 3 layers of pearl chains here. And they come with matching earrings. So matching pearl earrings. So yes, beautiful set. I like it. 250 is the price for this one. Yes, now let's move on to the next one. The next one is earring studs, and these are a pair of 4 stud earrings. So you can just see there are 4 different types of different design or color, you can say, color and designs. So first one is this blue one, then you have a red with some gold, then a pinkish shade with some gold, and then a teal or a greenish shade here. So let me just show you one by one. So I'm wearing 2 different earrings. Let me show you one by one. So first we'll start with this one. This is the greenish kind of a shade, and this is how it looks. It's a really beautiful stud, and this is perfect for daily wear. Really pretty one. And the second one is this one. This is the blue one, the teal color, you can say. This is how it looks. Now let me show you the third one. Third one is this pink one, pink with gold. Let me wear this and show you the look. So this is how they look. Really pretty, very cute. These are just perfect for daily wear. Now I'm left with the third one. The third one is the red one, and this is how it looks. And this will go with my top because I'm wearing red. So red with gold, and this is how the beautiful cute stud looks. Really pretty. 250 is the price for these 4 studs. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is the Junkie Mina earrings, and these are the one. The color is oxidized silver with some pink and blue hair. And of course Junkie, so you can just see 3 junkies there. Let me wear one and show you the look. The price for these are 400 rupees and they are just perfect for Indian outfits like suits, lehenga, saris. They will look stunning, really beautiful because the earrings are really nice. The combination of Mina curry and oxidized silver, then Junkie earrings. So yes, overall, I loved it. Really beautiful Junkie earrings. 400 is the price. Now I'm left with the last one, and the last product is actually very interesting, and I don't have anything of the sort. So for me, it's very interesting. I hardly tie my hair, and this is a hair accessory. This is a rubber band with this bow. So what I think is you just have to make a pony, and then you can just tie it here, and then these will be visible, and they will like add some funkiness in your look. So that's what I think. So yes, this is the last one. 150 is the price. The color and everything is nice. So I'm gonna try something with this. I'm gonna tie my hair and use this rubber band for sure. 150 is the price, and this is the last product. And that's all what I've received in my Jewel Grab box for January month. And you know what? This time Jewel Grabox has personalized option as well. So if you want to personalize your Jewel Grabox, what you have to do is you just have to buy the box and you have to tell the colors and all that. So yes, you can get a personalized box this time, which is great, I guess. Don't worry, I will be mentioning this as well in the description box. And if I have to tell you my favorites, so let me tell you, both the neck pieces are really pretty. This one, it has this dark shade, so this is perfect for party. I'm gonna wear this in some party. And then of course the pearl neck piece. This is first thing, it's multi-layer. I love multi-layer neck pieces. Then it's pearl, so I love pearl jewelry. So yes, both the neck pieces are just great. Then set of these 4 studs, they are again very useful, I can say, because these are perfect for daily wear, different color, different options, designs. So yes, I love this as well. Then the Junkie earrings are really pretty. Then the long ones are nice. So overall, the box is really good. As usual, Grabox never actually disappoints their subscribers. So yes, I'm happy. And if you ask me, I can say go ahead and buy your box. And this time you can personalize your box too, which is great. Now that's all. I will be attaching a lookbook and I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.